Let's cut straight across to Standard Chartered Bank, which is addressing the media on its financial year 2011 results.
Income, as I said, has grown 10% year on year. Net interest income is up 20%, reflecting continued growth in customer loans and customer deposits, which were up 9% and 11% respectively, and also an increase in our liability margins. We have maintained a firm grip on expenses, up 10%, while continuing to invest in both businesses to build the income engines of tomorrow. Loan impairment was up 3% year on year, reflecting a diversified portfolio, the economic performance of the markets that we operate in, and our disciplined approach to risk management. Other impairment is higher at $100 million compared to $76 million. Operating profit of $6.775 billion is up 11% year on year. Let's turn to our businesses in more detail. First, consumer banking. The consumer banking business had a strong 2011 with record income up 12% to almost $6.8 billion. The business has benefited from selective growth in unsecured assets, improving deposit margins, and the impact of the investments made in 2011. Asset margins in the second half were up on the first half by a couple of basis points, generating positive momentum into 2012. Within this performance, we have good double-digit income growth across all our high-value segments, with private banking up 21%, SME, small and medium enterprises, up 14%, and priority banking up 10% year on year. In 2011, we have continued to invest in our consumer banking franchise, with headcount up by over 1,200 staff, focused on China, Singapore, Hong Kong, and Africa. Within this total, frontline headcount was up nearly by 1,000. We've added 35 new branches in 2011, including 19 in China. In addition, we have refreshed or replaced more than 400 ATMs, enhanced our mobile and internet banking capabilities, and increased marketing spend year on year by some tens of millions of dollars. Consumer banking profit is up an excellent 26% year on year to US $1.65 billion. Now to wholesale banking. Wholesale banking has delivered another very strong performance in 2011, with income up 9% and client income up 10% year on year, the 9th consecutive year of double-digit client income growth. In 2011, 48% of wholesale banking client income was generated offshore, up from 41% in 2010, demonstrating the importance of the network and the increasing interconnectivity of our markets. Total wholesale banking income in the second half was broadly flat on the first half, reflecting the resilience of the business model even in a very challenging environment. We have seen a number of repricing opportunities across our footprint in 2011, partially reflecting our US dollar liquidity strength, but also some withdrawal of European competitors. For example, we have repriced corporate loans in Hong Kong, and there is evidence of repricing in debt capital markets across our core footprint. Cash margins have improved year on year, and trade margins, although down on 2010, increased marginally in the second half of the year. Loan impairment in 2011 was up 26%, and other impairment was up 55%. Profit before tax increased 9% year on year to reach a record $5.2 billion. This strong performance was delivered despite a challenging market environment with high levels of uncertainty and volatility driven by the Eurozone crisis.